In this video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a carnation flower. I'll be using this worsted weight yarn. This is just yarn, and I picked this up at Dollar Tree. The recommended hook size for this yarn is an I, but I always go up quite a few because I tend to crochet a little tighter. So for this one, I'm going to be using a K size hook. You also need a darning needle, and I like using one with a large I, and you also need scissors. I'm going to jump ahead and show you later on in the project so that you'll have an idea as you're working what you're working for. So later on in the project, this is what your piece will look like, and basically what you've done is create petals, and then we'll be wrapping these petals, tying them together to form your flower. So it's going to look very weird as you're crocheting it, but that's okay, it'll come together. Okay, let's get started. To begin, we're going to do a slip knot. And then we will chain 26. To make our first petal, we're going to skip the first chain right here, and then we're going to work 5 double crochet into the next chain. So we'll yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and work on our second one. Third one. Fourth, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more time, make 5. Now we're going to slip stitch into the next chain. We'll kind of finish off that petal, so you can see. To make our second petal, we're going to do the same. We want 5 double crochet. We're going to go right into this next chain. With our 5 double crochets. Slip stitch in the next stitch, and now we have 2 petals. So 5 double crochet, slip stitch, repeat that 3 more times. Here you can see we've got 4 petals done, so we need to do 1 more of these double crochet petals. Now we want to start making smaller petals, so we're going to do half double crochet petals, and we're going to do 4 of them. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the chain, bring up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. yarn over, insert our hook, pull through all 3. We're going to do this 5 times as well in each chain, just like we did with the double crochet petals. Once we finish the 5 half double crochets, we will slip stitch in the next chain and start the process over again until we get 4 half double crochet size petals. We've completed our 4 half double crochet. Finish our slip stitch here, and in the next chain we want to start working single crochet petals. Insert our hook into our chain, bring up a loop, yarn over, pull through all the loops. We're going to do this 5 times as well. And we're going to be making 3 of those single crochet petals. And I like to cut off a very long tail just to make sure I have enough here. So now we just need to tie this off. So you can see here, this is going to be the inside, and I'm just going to start threading this yarn through and just keep twirling it and attaching this piece together just by weaving in and out. So you can see here, I've got a layer wrapped around there. Then the next one I'm going to grab the next layer. The next weave I'm going to grab the next layer. As we get bigger I might put a couple of weaves in one layer. This is just my other tail, I just let it hang there until the end. Sometimes I'll even keep my tails on so I can attach it to a project easier, such as a hat or something like that. And you can play around with this as you're weaving. Get the look you want. This is your creation. Always remember, it's your creation. I'm gonna check the back, make sure it's all connected. As you can see here, your tails can get wrapped around your base, so keep an eye out for those. And it's all about just finding where you want it. Move your petals around with your hand, here and there. And I'm pretty happy with that right there. And like I said, I'll leave the tail on just because I don't know what I'm going to attach it to. And then I have a collection of flowers. And there you go. Pretty quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and check out my list here of all my crochet items as well as instructional guides for basic stitches.